Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check the detailed analytics of a YouTube channel from their daily views to their earnings as well. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser you have, and in the search bar, you have to search for socialblade.com. You can see the right URL over there. Just simply open this website, and in this search bar, you have to search the name of the YouTube channel of which you want to check the detailed analytics. For example, if I open the Mr. Beast, let's just wait for it to respond. And once it gets open, here you can see the detailed analytics of Mr. Beast YouTube channel. You can check the daily views, the and multiple things are available here, or the as the detailed analytics you can check out here. All right, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.